In a quiet African village, danger waits patiently, where life seems most peaceful.
A mother hen leads her chicks, believing this morning will be safe.
This tiny chick explores the world, unaware of the deadly threat nearby.
But in the tall grass, something cold-blooded watches every move. The African rock python waits silently, calculating the perfect moment.
This predator does not rush, because patience makes the kill easier.
One baby chick strays too far, separating from its only protector.
That single mistake changes everything in the blink of an eye.
The python attacks fast, grabbing the helpless chick without warning.
The tiny chick struggles, but the predator's grip is powerful.
The mother hen hears the cries and turns toward the danger. Motherhood awakens courage, stronger than fear, inside her heart.
She spreads her wings wide, choosing to fight rather than lose her child.
The python tightens its grip, confident this hunt is already won.
With fearless strikes, the mother attacks the snake's most vulnerable point.
The predator hesitates, shocked by unexpected resistance.
She attacks again and again, driven only by instinct and love. The snake begins to lose control under relentless pressure. The baby chick falls free, fragile but miraculously alive. The mother places herself directly between danger and her child. The python hisses, no longer certain of victory. She flaps her wings loudly, sending a clear warning. The predator decides the risk is no longer worth it. The python retreats, returning to the shadows of the wild.
A small movement brings relief and hope.
Protection comes naturally after battle.
In the wild, survival is never guaranteed.
She leads her chick away from danger.
Subscribe to Shine Bliss for real wild stories.